one of my most requested recipes, and that is Goan style tuna cutlets. Simple, easy and delicious. So let's get started with the recipe. There is a shout out for a special subscriber at the end and a few tips about the recipe. So let's get started.
So let's start with this delicious recipe. So here I have 100 grams tuna can. That's what we're going to need. I'm going to get 6 of these medium-sized cutlets. Then I have 1 green chilli, half an inch of ginger, and about 5 cloves of garlic chopped fine, 1 medium onion chopped fine, 1 small boiled potato, 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped coriander, 1 egg, some salt to taste, and I have 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs which I'm going to add to the mixture, and some breadcrumbs, about 1/4 cup for coating it. Now the first thing is I'm going to open the can and I'm going to drain out all the water that is there in the tuna. We're going to discard that water. We're going to use only the tuna, the flesh of the fish. So let all the water drain out. Then you're going to transfer that to a bowl and you're just going to mash it up lightly. If you have a bigger chunks, then mash it up, till you get like a mince consistency or a keema consistency. Now we're going to add the onions, we're going to add the green chili, ginger and garlic. Next we're going to add the potato, the mashed up potato, some salt to taste. Then I'm going to just beat up the egg really well. And we're going to add the egg as well. Now the egg, the potato, all of this help to bind the cutlets together so that they don't break. Now we're going to add some fresh coriander which we've chopped finely. And we're going to add 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs. So now just mix everything together, and if you feel you need to add more potato or more breadcrumbs, then do that, because you have to have a very firm kind of consistency where you can actually hold the mixture and form it into a ball. So I'm adding about 5 tablespoons more and just mix everything well together. You should be able to hold a firm ball like this. It should not fall apart. And if your mixture becomes extremely dry, just add about half an egg. Now let this mixture rest for about 5 minutes. And now we just have to form the cutlets. So you can either form croquettes or you can form cutlets, whatever you like. Now I'm just going to take a tablespoon of the mixture. First I'm going to roll it into a nice ball. Then I'm going to roll it into the palm of my hands and then press it down till it forms a nice cutlet. And then we want to just smoothen it out. I'm going to first coat it with some breadcrumbs. Then you're just going to take a knife and just smoothen the edges so that it forms a nice round cutlet. And I like to double coat it with the breadcrumbs because of the time you get this lovely crunch. When you're eating the cutlet, it has a nice crunchy exterior and a soft the interior. It's really, really yummy. So just a melt in the mouth cutlet. So make these and set them aside. You can either fry them immediately or you can put them in your refrigerator and fry them when you feel like. You can also store them in your refrigerator for about 4-5 days, and if you freeze them and put them in a airtight container, you can keep them for a month in your freezer. And then all we have to do is just shallow fry them. So I'm going to heat my pan. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. Let the oil get nice and hot, and we're going to cook on a low to medium flame, not on a high flame. And once the oil is hot, I'm just going to shallow fry these cutlets till they're golden brown in color. So first you put the cutlets, let them start frying. And when you see that the edges start to brown, just turn them over. Don't over brown them. They should have a nice light golden brown color. And once one side is done, you can turn it on the other side and fry that too. And once they're done, just drain the excess oil onto a kitchen napkin. And these lovely tuna cutlets are ready. You can have them with some ketchup, with some chili sauce. It's delicious. It's a great tiffin item. It's a great starter. And it's amazing. Just try it out, guys.
guys, sorry if you're getting the sound of the fan in the video, but it's so hot today that I had to put the fan on, otherwise I'm going to be drenched. So today's shout out is for Noella Fortes. I don't know whether it's Fortes or Fortes. Noella, sorry if my pronunciation is wrong. Noella started writing to me after I posted the green chilli and ginger pickle, and she loved it so much, her family loved it so much, and Noella has been writing to me whenever she does get the time. You're writing quite not that frequent as before, Noella, so do start writing again. But Noella also has very sweet and very nice comments. So Noella, thank you so much. God bless you and your lovely family. Stay happy and blessed. Lots of love from me to you. So guys, wasn't that a real simple, easy recipe? Something really easy to make, especially for people who are beginners, or for students, or for kids who are just learning to cook. You don't have to clean any fish. You don't have to do anything. Just open a can, and the rest of the ingredients are very simple. Assemble everything, make those lovely cutlets or cakes, and just shallow fry them. So if you like today's recipe, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. I need those thumbs ups, guys. Do watch the videos till the end, and do share my recipes with family and friends. And for those of you who haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, because that way whenever I put up a recipe, you get a message for the same. Thank you so much for all your comments, all your love, all your support, and keep watching Akshata's recipes. There's so much more coming up, and lots of love. Take care of yourselves, be kind to one another, be kind to yourselves, do whatever you love, and follow your passion and your hobbies. And I'll catch you soon in my next recipe, sooner than you think. Lots of love from me to you. Bye.